Hello, everybody. My name is Leah Xavier, and today I'm going to be giving a biography on Pablo Picasso. And as you can see in the left-hand side of my screen, this is a photo of him. And these are just some general facts about Picasso. He was born October 25th, 1881 in Malaga, Spain. He died April 8th, 1973 in Mogan, Spain, making him 92 years old. He attended San Fernando Fine Art Royal Academy um, in addition to his past studies. He was most influenced by Vincent van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, Jackson Pollock, and many others. He had 4 children in his lifetime. And in addition to painting, Picasso was also an avid sculptor, printmaker, ceramicist, and a theater designer. And Picasso's father was also a painter and an art teacher as well. And some facts about his early childhood to teen years. Picasso impressed everyone around him at a very young age. He actually started drawing and painting around age 5, and even at that young age, everyone around him started to really realize his full potential. And his father is the one who actually taught him art from a very young age. But by the time Picasso turned 13 years old, his skill level actually exceeded his father's abilities. In 1895, Picasso applied to a prestigious art school in Barcelona, Spain, and got accepted. And it was actually, the school is very competitive, but given his amount of talent, he was accepted immediately. In 1897, he moved to Madrid to attend the Royal Academy of San Fernando, as I had mentioned in the previous slide. And I just wanted to include this. These are some of Picasso's most famous works, the ones that are normally most seen in social media or news, that kind of thing. These all were made primarily in his middle age years. And then these works of art were all painted leading up to his death. Um, and this was the time where he was getting kind of used to, he was coming to the realization that death was upon him, and he tried to incorporate that feeling into his paintings, which I think he illustrated very well. So in conclusion, Picasso was one of the greatest influences in the 20th century of art. He created some very extravagant pieces and succeeded in any style of art he tried. Picasso is indeed a legend in the art world today, and he will continue to be. And that concludes my biography of Pablo Picasso. Thank you so much for listening.